Hello everyone. My assignment is on peach breeding. I would like to thank Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir, Associate Professor Coast Jammu, who took an initiative for online education in the times of prevalent COVID-19. He provided us all the needy help regarding our coursework and shared such an amazing platform with us to express our work better. Submitted by Sanjay Kumar, Division of Fruit Science, Coast Jammu. Let's begin. These are the contents. Introduction. Peach and nectarine are the important summer fruit crops of the world. China, Italy, USA, Spain and Greece are the major producers of peach and nectarine in the world. Peach is a temperate fruit and probably the most adapted temperate fruit to warmer climate. Most of the peach cultivar require 500 to 1000 or more chilling hours below 7.2 degrees Celsius for normal bloom and fruiting. In India, varieties which need more cold for breaking dormancy are cultivated in the hills of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttaranchal. The varieties which need subtropical climate are grown in Punjab, Haryana, parts of UP and northeastern states. This is the scientific classification of the peach. Origin and distribution. China is the center of origin for several peaches. There are many wild forms of peach found in Himachal Pradesh. In India, one wild peach locally known as Katedu or Katki Adu is very late ripening. At some locations the fruit matures in October, which is Kartika month of the Indian calendar, and probably that is why they are called Katki Adu. Now the next is species. First one is Prunus persica. It is a diploid species having chromosome number 18. Most commercial species of peach grown in India. Second is Prunus persica batch variety Nusi persica nectarine. A natural mutant of peach nectarine originated in India around 2000 years ago. Third is Prunus persica batch variety Platycarpa, which is saucer peach or flat peach. The fruit of flat peach is flattened and thicker than the stone length, having a calyx-like eye or broken cavity at apex. Fourth is Prunus davidiana. It is originated in northeast China. It is drought tolerant, hence used as a rootstock. Fifth is Prunus cansuensis red, a wild species found in northeastern China and generally used as seedling rootstock. Sixth is Prunus mirapoet and turpin. It is considered to be natural hybrid of almond and peach. The species are found extensively in the dry temperate zone of India. These pictures depict various species of the peach. These are some cultivars of the peach. These are Pratap, Florida Prince, Nectar, Red Heaven, Sun Heaven, Shani Punjab, Independence, JH Hale and Sugar Baby. Cytogenetic. The chromosome number of peach is 16. Haploid peaches have been obtained from seedling population. Now the next is genetic resource. The most extensive collection of peach germplasm has been assembled in China. In 1980, China established 3 national peach repositories in Nanjing, Jiangsu and Beijing. These repositories currently has a collection of 560, 280 and 650 peach accessions respectively. In India, 52 accessions of peach germplasm is being maintained at Regional Research Station of NBPGR at Shimla. Blossom biology. Chilling requirement of peach plant is 500 to 800 hours. Flower bears on 1 year old shoot which are reddish green and turn dark grey silver when old. Generally on fruiting shoot each node bear 3 buds, 2 lateral flower buds and 1 vegetative bud in the middle. Peach flower is hermaphrodite perigynous, pale to dark pink in color. White to dark red flowers are also found. 5 sepals and 5 petals are arranged alternately. The petals are separated and there are two types of corolla, showy and non-showy. First one showy, which is rose shaped with large petals, anthers hidden until the petals separate. Second one is non-showy, which is bell shaped with smaller petals. The anthers protrude beyond the corolla. They can shed pollen even before complete anthesis. The flower has 30 stamens or more. Pistil become receptive 1 or 2 days after anthesis and remain receptive for several days. The pistil has two ovules, however, usually only one develop into seed. The flowering starts in the first week of February and continues till end of the February. Peaches are pollinated through insects. The pollen of peach is highly viable. Now the next is breeding systems. Normally all commercial peach cultivars are self-fertile, means self-pollination is there. Only a few cultivars are self-sterile, including J.H. Hale, Marsan, June, Alberta, Candoca and Giant, in which cross-pollination is compulsory for fruit setting. Breeding objectives: to develop variety having better fruit quality and long shelf life, extending the maturity period, reduction in tree vigor to aid in mechanization, to develop variety having resistance to insect pests and diseases, to develop variety having tolerance to high summer temperature, development of low chilling cultivars, for processing peaches, firmness of flesh, freedom from loose fiber, attractive color and non-browning of flesh are the important characters to be improved. Now the next is idiotypes. Early flowering and regular bearer. Chilling requirement is less for planting in subtropical region. Dwarf and compact plant for high density planting. Plant resistance to spring frost and high summer temperature. Resistant to major pests and diseases. Self-fruitful or fruit set less dependent on pollinizer. Problems in breeding. Germplasm exchange has become very difficult due to patenting of new peach varieties. Only one seed per fruit necessitates performing large number of crosses to have a sizable population. The replant problems and nematode do not allow breeders to use same land again for growing the progenies. In low chill peaches, embryo rescue is to be done and poor ex vitro survival is a problem. Approaches for crop improvement. First is introduction. Florida Sun TA 170 Pratap and 16 to 33 Shane Punjab are introduced from USA during late 60s at PAU Ludhiana and have been released for commercial cultivation in India. Second is selection. A large number of low chilling peach varieties, example Sun Red, Sun Gold and other selections. Clonal selection Sharbati is a chance seedling selection selected at Saharanpur. Now the third is hybridization. Radar is a cross between Hale 11 and Carl 11 bred at USA. Domesticated peach can be readily hybridized with native population of native Prunus persica and all the wild species of peach. Successful hybrids have also been produced between peach, almond, apricot, plum and sour cherry. In most cases the whole hybrids are largely sterile. Although F1s of the almond and peach can highly fertile and can be employed as rootstocks for both. Namagard, a hybrid between Prunus persica and Prunus davidiana, is a widely used root knot nematode resistant rootstock which is immune to Melodyne incognita. Planned hybridization work on peach was started in 1957 at Saharanpur, India. Peach Saharanpur Prabhat, which is cross between Sharbati and Florida Sun, was released. Fourth is mutation. Two varieties have been released through gamma irradiation. Magnov 135 in 1968 for fruit size and Plovdiv 6 in 1981 for battery yield. Bud spots. Early ripening mutant from Red Heaven have been identified are Garnet Beauty and Stark Aliglo. Now the last but not the least is future thrust in improvement. Utilization of genetic resources for identification, characterization and manipulation of important traits controlling genes in the other species. Utilization of gene information and marker systems for manipulation of important characters in the breeding scheme. Research on gene systems responsible for endodormancy, cold hardiness, chilling requirement for flower bud break and growth habit. Thank you everyone.